Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into an insightful military power comparison between Russia and Ukraine for the year of 2025. Through this video, we will highlight all types of forces like Navy, Air Force and land power. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's start the video. Total area Russia 17.09 square kilometer and Ukraine 0.61 million square kilometer. Total population Russia 0.14 billion and Ukraine 32.96 million. Average age of population Russia 41.5 and Ukraine 45.3. Fertility rate Russia 1.41 and Ukraine 0.9. Guns per 100 citizens Russia 12.3 and Ukraine 9.9. Standard sidearm Russia MP443 Grach and Ukraine Makarov pistol. Primary battle arm Russia AK-74 which is process of rearming AK-12 and Ukraine Sich which is process of rearming AK-74. Mandatory military services Russia 12 months of services only for men and Ukraine also for men 3 to 5 months of services. Total military personnel Russia 3.16 million and Ukraine 1.18 million. Active military personnel Russia 1.06 million and Ukraine approximately 0.73 million. Reserved military personnel Russia 1.5 million and Ukraine approximately 0.2 million. Paramilitary personnel Russia 0.555 million and Ukraine 0.25 million. Special forces Russia approximately 45,000 and Ukraine approximately 3,000. Number of women Russia approximately 45,000 and Ukraine approximately 46,000. Monthly artillery shell production Russia approximately 250,000 and Ukraine approximately 10,000. Self-propelled guns most capable Russia 5,103 and Ukraine 940. Self-propelled guns most numerous Russia 5,103 and Ukraine 940. Towed artillery most numerous Russia 6,300 approximately and Ukraine 736. Towed artillery most capable Russia approximately 6,300 and Ukraine 736. Self-propelled artillery most numerous Russia 846 plus 459 reserved and Ukraine 60. Self-propelled artillery most capable Russia 846 plus 459 reserved and Ukraine 60. MLRS launchers most capable Russia 2,992 plus 404 reserved, Ukraine 350. MLRS launchers most numerous Russia 2,992 plus 404 reserved, Ukraine 350. Main battle tanks most capable Russia approximately 5,000 plus 3,332 reserved, Ukraine 1,258. Light medium tanks Russia 180 plus 180 reserved and Ukraine 0. Tank destroyers most capable Russia 1,229 and Ukraine 200 plus 7. Anti-tank guns Russia 1,202 plus 129 reserved and Ukraine 280. Infantry fighting vehicles most capable Russia 8,052 plus 2,033 reserved and Ukraine 1,383. Infantry fighting vehicles most numerous Russia 8052 plus 2033 reserved and Ukraine 1383. APC most numerous Russia 9382 plus 2655 reserved and Ukraine 3953. APC most capable Russia 9382 plus 2655 reserved, Ukraine 3953. Armored utility vehicles Russia 5540 plus 100 reserved and Ukraine 9294. Armored utility vehicles most capable Russia 5514 plus 100 reserved and Ukraine 9294. Armored logistics Russia 4154 plus 250 reserved and Ukraine 1201. Mortars Russia approximately 5500 and Ukraine 2000. Reusable anti-tank missile launchers Russia approximately 25,000 and Ukraine approximately 20,000. Disposable anti-tank missile launchers Russia approximately 1,25,000 and Ukraine approximately 75,000. Combat aircrafts most capable Russia 1227 Su-57 and Ukraine 71 F-16AM over BM. Combat aircrafts most numerous Russia 1227 Yak-30 and Ukraine 71 F-16AM over BM. Trainers Russia 664 Ukraine 54. AWACS Russia 15 and Ukraine 0. Bombers aircrafts Russia 130 and Ukraine 0. Special mission aircrafts Russia 177 and Ukraine 13. Tankers aircrafts Russia 19 and Ukraine 0. Transport aircrafts Russia 463 and Ukraine 59 plus 2 reserved. Attack helicopters Russia 517 Mi-28NM and Ukraine 51 Mi-35. Attack helicopters most numerous Russia 517 and Ukraine 51 Mi-24 V/P. Air cruise missile launchers Russia approximately 1000 and Ukraine 50. UAVs both countries have approximately 25,000. Total aircrafts Russia 3763 and Ukraine have 319. Aerospace radar Russia have approximately 10 and Ukraine 1. Laser air defense system Russia have 5 and Ukraine have 1. Aircraft carriers Russia have 1. Name and commission Admiral Kuznetsov 1991 and Ukraine have 0. Cruiser Russia 4 and Ukraine have 0. Frigates Russia have 12 and Ukraine have 0. Destroyers Russia have 10 and Ukraine have 0. Submarines Russia have 64 and Ukraine have 0. Corvettes Russia 83 and Ukraine have 0. Patrol vessels Russia 120 and Ukraine 55. Total nuclear weapons Russia have 5580 total nuclear weapons and Ukraine have 0 nuclear weapons. Intercontinental ballistic missile launchers Russia have total 329 and Ukraine have 0. Army satellites Russia have total 96 satellites and Ukraine have 0 satellites. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and I will love you forever.